Well, that there just happened right in front of me. The light turned yellow, and this chick here just come flying through the intersection and like nailed that pole right in front of me. So I guess it was pretty essential that she done that. But let's pull over here and be nosy. Why not? I was just on my way to daggone Burger King and see what's going on. She's got to be hammered or something. She's probably all hopped up on that Rona. Yeah. Yeah, she just like completely rode straight through there and blasted that pole. Like ran through the light, tried to turn left, and bam. Oh, she don't care about the car. Oh shit. Man, this is why I hate living in the city right here. God, I wish I lived out in Campbellsville. Lord have mercy. Uh-oh. Oh shit, Legion of Doom just walked in. Look at this. Oh hell, don't touch the car. You don't like to get electrocuted. Oh, she gonna get in and drive off.
You don't have kids, do you?
She ain't got no kids. Yeah, she gonna start it up, take off. If it's a Ford, it'll keep going. She got a wedgie. Man, this is good right here. Oh shit. Oh damn, that's tough shit right there.
That's what I'm saying, the line, not the fucking pole, the line.
Wow, she got a gun on her hip. Look at this.
Literally. You was on this side, right? Yeah.
Did they call 911 yet?
No.
Need 911.
I know. Man. Pretty rough. Oh, what we got here? What we got going on? Oh, that might be his car. Doggone.
Yeah, I told her, I seen her coming. Yes, ma'am. She just knocked all you down, bro.
Uh-oh.
Don't test that, it's puffing and everything.
Yeah, it's power, bro.
Don't go get barbecue.
Hey!
Oh, doggone. Let's look at this. This dude gonna run over. He done ran over. Oh, man. I need to get me some pants like that. I had my balls. Man. PRP, folks.
No, she nervous as fuck. She's high on something.
She's high on something or something.
Yeah, it's
Man, where'd she get the britches at? I'll put this on a soundtrack. Man, I thought the girls at Circle K was rough. They ain't got nothing on these chicks. Oh man, they done got all the cops.
It went through us. When she tried to go through us, she lost control and hit that goddamn post so fucking hard. It went down.
Yeah.
And then she talked about, can you get me out of here? I need to get to my son. He done split his head open. I fucked the car. Well, fuck the car, but every goddamn lamppost down with you.
Oh, true. catch me outside. Nobody want to catch her outside. Hold on.
Man, I seen it.
Oh, this
We
dude's
heard
seen
the
it too.
pound.
Oh, how many times you gonna
I
drop
looked
that
out the window and
phone?
seen her take
I need a relationship as strong as that damn phone.
Yeah, we need to call Kevin.
Yeah, I call him.
So, yeah, we ain't gonna call.
She needs to get away from her car. She's in a dangerous spot.
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go?
Man.
How we gonna get home?
Back roads.
Boy. I wonder what she was out here for is essential. I'm getting ready to go to work, so it's essential I go to rallies in a minute. So, anyhow, better go ahead and get on out of here. They're heading all on back over to the liquor store. It's still open too, by the way. In case y'all want to come out here and get some crunk drink and whatever else. But it knocked out the power to it and to the Walgreens. So, and probably to the Kroger over there. So, I got the car wash is still up and running. Yeah, McDonald's is out. They're all out. Man, I reckon that pole really does it. But they got some black mulch here if anybody needs some. Anyway, I'm out.